Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to another video from JG Tech. We're gonna look at some Battlestation from Reddit, so let's get into it. Pow, hit it! Okay, let's see what we got. We started with my Battlestation, it's 12 years old, it's still going strong. Nice layout, I can say one thing, it's a nice screen layout. The middle is probably his main, the two of us is the second and the third. So to YouTube, to Discord, Spotify, or just overall other things that you main don't want to use when you're gaming. You want Discord on the side and so on. But we have Gandalf from Harry Potter. So sorry about that. I mean goddamn Lord of the Rings, not Harry Potter. Back to the video. Very nice. You shall not pass.
You shall not pass!
We got two set. It's a Dell screen, 2 Dell screen set, vertical, and then one horizontal and an old keyboard, old mouse, and so on. We got the piece down here. It's a Cooler Master, okay, with apparently the button on the side. Game management, on point, speaker. I don't know why the speaker's down there, but it is. Okay, we have this. This looks like more it. I love it. Okay, it looks like it is. He's sim racing, but also do gaming. So PC is goddamn beautiful. If I'm not looking, let me just check. This beautiful. We got some custom. It looks like it's the Logitech, and then he did some custom to the wheel or something. It looks good. Logitech panels. I have those two, and I gotta say they're amazing. You just gotta do something with it. He got also custom made to his gearbox. Very nice. He got a note, a plant. It is a real. Is it a fake? We don't know. We got some ring light. We got a carpet down here, nice, a chair. I don't know what chair it is, but it can do the job. Not comfortable, but it can do the job. We got a light ball here, nice. We got some cleaning equipment, some shelves with old player music, another plant, and some more plants, probably fake. I don't know, nice desk. I like the wood color, it fits the theme. We got a digital watch, and we got 2 screens, one that's main, and then we got a second that's probably for sim racing or just overall a secondary screen to do some stuff. What is down here? But it looks very interesting. But I can say it's a beautiful cozy setup, and it definitely do the vibe, because I love the wood and I love the coziness, and PC is beautiful. Then we got the N00B. Let me just see what do it. Sunlight in the office. Okay, that is a relaxing fucking office. Working from home, goddamn beautiful. We got some plants. We got a photograph or something. I'm just getting closer. Yeah, we got a photograph. We got a dog, a lovely toy dog. We got a custom keyboard, very nice, and another custom. That's probably 2 extra keybinds. Custom calls cables to the custom keyboard itself. We got a mic and a mic stand, and we got a BVA. We got some equipment, audio equipment or headset, and interface to it. We got an ultra wide screen, looks like it is curved, and then we got a still up here that's not curved. 2 monitors arm that's holding it. Very nice, very nice. We got some books. We got a very nice mouse pad. We got the PC itself with NTX. Very beautiful PC. Very beautiful, very stealth. Like, that's not a lot of RGB, but we got the G-Skill RAM in there. We got it looks like either ASUS or MSI motherboard. Maybe not. We got a GPU, of course, with custom cables. I see, very nice, and a small form factor sitting on the desk. The chair doesn't look comfy, but it does look it do the job. Some more purchases, and I gotta say, goddamn, a lovely office. Like, imagine that office. Actually, it's a cozy vibe. I would love to work home with that office. Not gonna lie. Setup very interesting. We got the PS5 right here. We got a big, looks like a TV. Looks definitely like TV, if you don't ask me. We got we got a wireless mouse with a Logitech mouse pad. We got an interface again with those. I don't know the name, but I know what headset it is. We got a mic blue, nice. We got, yeah, it's 100% a TV, because you can see the remote to control the TV, so it looks definitely like a TV. Then we got a custom keyboard, very nice. Looks like a custom keyboard, very nice. It fits the theme of the PlayStation 5, some black in and white. This chair doesn't look comfy at all. I can't see very much, but it doesn't look that comfy. But hopefully do its job. The disc, self the disc, like the wood and stuff, it looks like it got beaten sometimes, but it does the job and it looks nice. And that looks like you have, I know what that is, but I don't know how to say it. We got actually 2 mouses. Okay, we got one probably from work, one to gaming. So this is also Logitech one, just probably for working, and this is for gaming. We got 2 holders to cups and stuff, so you don't get markers on the disc. Very nice, like watermarks and everything. We got 2 custom 2 controllers, one PlayStation 5 and one Xbox controller. Do you have an Xbox also, may I ask? So cable management, you can see some cables down there, but that's what I expected. But it doesn't look that bad. I just can't see very much of cable, but it doesn't look that bad. But there's still some cable management have to be done. Updated battle. Then we got, okay, goddamn, Battlestation 2.0. After a few months in new place, I found the layout that works better for functional and also for space. When using VR, I am sure it will change again at some point. Setups I say one thing for sure. Setups can be changed so many times. I changed my setup and my screen layout, everything so many times, so it happens. Sometimes you just gotta change it if you want to. I will change again at some point, but really happy win for now. So Battlestation 2.0. What was the name again? We got B5nbm. So you set up. We got some acoustic panels to down sound damping. We got some very nice Lego. We got some Force and our Horizon Zero Dawn Lego right there. We got some background. It does look like he like the Nissan GTR 44. Very nice. We got actually very nice. We got, this is probably like for sim racing. Then we got the PC itself, and then we got entertainment area. Very nice. I like the combination. It fits in one, and it doesn't look claustrophobic. It doesn't look like it's just fit in very tight. It looks there's space to it. It's very spacious, very comfy, and very relaxing. So we got some shelves too. Some, I don't know what that is. Is that a GPU? That a goddamn GPU? Yes, that is a Founder Edition GPU. What Founder Edition? I don't know, but nice. We got a common. Oh my god, that is an old PlayStation. I think that's the first PlayStation ever came out. If I'm not mistaken, we got an Xbox One controller, Xbox controller. We got some Lego up here, very nice. I love those two. And looks like both from Horizon Zero Dawn. Love the game, by the way, amazing game. Then we got, of course, the sim racing setup here, very nice. I gotta say, very nice setup. Sim racing setup. Looks like it with custom keyboard. We got a keyboard over there sitting there with some everything, gearbox, pedals and a rad and so on, and a special 10, everything set up just for totally sim racing. Very nice. We got 3 screens. It looks like you got those custom from ASUS that made it so you can't see the bezels of the screen, so it comes over. Very nice, very great job. And we got some G-Sync on those monitors. So 3 monitors put together. Very nice, very nice. I love it. We got maybe a plant behind there. Very nice. Then we come to the PC area where he does gaming. Let me see, you got an ultra wide with a laptop. I don't know what if that laptop is plugged in for itself, but you have a laptop and a custom PC. The case is fucking amazing. It's dope. We got a keyboard, a wireless keyboard looks like, and a wireless mouse, and an excellent mouse pad with a lot of audio, with some speakers, small speakers, but faces the way. And then we got acoustic panels in the corner, and we got some light up here. Let's go. And chair. The chair looks definitely comfy and very, very relaxing. Oh my god. And then we got, okay, he's flexing with the Ryzen 9 box, so it looks like that is maybe a Ryzen 9 in there. We got also the entertainment area with a chair, so you can sit back and play some PlayStation, Xbox. Yeah, I see Xbox right there. Some Xbox and so on. Looks very relaxing, and just play on the TV. Gentlemen and ladies, hope you enjoyed the video. JGTech is signing out, but if you do like this video, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell and comment down below. There will be more episodes, but this is episode 1 out of watching and reviewing Battlestation on Reddit, PC Battlestation. And so far, I watched some amazing setups, looks all great, definitely amazing and clean. So, peace out, much love, I will see you all on the next video. Bye bye.